guys and gals. Obviously from the title and my face right now, this is my first Halloween look of 2020. Halloween is like the best time for makeup, you know, everyone gets so creative, and this year I said to myself I need to push myself with looks, get them done, try and go out of my comfort zone a bit. So for the first look I wanted to start with a bit like, not like really complex, I just wanted to, you know, something like cute, not scary, gory, just something, you know. So I thought I'd do a little pumpkin on my face, and this is the finished look. You're probably watching this on a Sunday because I have actually changed my schedules for videos. So I am now uploading on Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. So you get to see my face 3 times a week. Obviously, if there's one week where I don't really get enough videos filmed, it'll just be Wednesday and Sunday, but the Friday is the extra day. So the minimum videos I will do a week is 2. But yeah, it's Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. So if you want to see how I created this look and what products I use, then keep on watching. So I've done on my brows and my eye base off camera just to save a bit of time. I'm taking the Beauty Bay EYM palette today. Take the shade Purple Power, which is this purple shade here, and then I'm just going to pack it on the lid. Oh, I match my jumper. And then I'm going to get a packing brush, more precise, and then I'm going to like map out like where I want it to go. It's not going to be blended out because it's going to be lined, if that makes sense. Like so. I'm just going to quickly do the other eye off camera. And believe it or not, that's the eyes done for now. Onto base. I'm just going to take my Makeup Revolution Illuminating Primer. And straight in foundation, I'm taking my OG from Primark. I'm actually using a new bottle today. And I'm going straight in. I literally can't get over this foundation. Like, I don't get how it's £3. Because look at that coverage. You telling me that's £3 and that's not the best coverage you've ever seen from a £3 foundation? £3. I'm so excited that this is like my first Halloween look of the year. I'm really going to try and push myself with Halloween looks this year. This is not going to be like a scary one, it's just going to be like a nice little pumpkin. Then I'm taking my Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer in the shade C1, just to highlight where I normally do. I'm not going to bronze or contour yet because I want to do the pumpkin first, because I'm going to do it like here. Buff that out. I might do a bit of contouring on my head and nose. And on this side, because I'm not doing the pumpkin on this side, so I'll do that actually. And then buff that out. And then I'm going to blend it all out with this sponge. Then I'm just going to set everything, so I'm just going to set my under eyes and then bronze the top and this side of my head. I don't want to go too far down on this side. weird that I haven't gone to the side or anything, but that's where the pumpkin is going, so. And speaking of the pumpkin, I think it's time to have a go. I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution Special Effects White Base Face Paint. Now, about here. Okay, so I should really get a reference photo, but no, it's fine. Looks like I'm doing clouds. Trust the process. That's what I'm doing. It doesn't help that I'm not working from a reference, so it's a little more like an apple. Right. As long as I've got like a rough idea what I'm working with, don't look too bad actually. I think once the orange is down and we start shading, it's gonna look a lot better. So, just wipe that brush clean. And then I'm actually gonna go in with the orange. So I'm gonna take the shade Heat Wave, which is this bright orange here, and go over. Trust the process again. I look like a peach, but we're gonna start doing the shading, so the shading so it doesn't look like a peach. It's very hard to see on camera actually, find it what I can see in person. Look a bit like a basketball. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like go over the shading even more and just blend it out, and then make sure the orange is like popping. Maybe if I do like that whole black, like the triangles in the mouth, maybe it might look a bit better. I'm gonna try that. I'm probably gonna ruin this whole look, but it's fine. It might look a bit more like a pumpkin if I do that though, so. This could make or break the look. Hopefully make it. I can do it perfect. Do it. This is where it goes wrong. Okay, now I'm not mad. You know, actually looks, I think that's actually saved the look, I think, a bit. And now for the stalk, but first I'm just gonna take this Moon Makeup, this neon UV lighter. Now, I'm actually gonna bring it down, because this is going to be our stalk. I'm going to quickly line this eye and then finish up the look. I'm just going to highlight with my Supreme Frost in Snow Globe. I'm just going to use put some mascara on and then lashes. Can we just take a minute to appreciate how dramatic these lashes are? Like, These are from Unique Lashes and they are in the style Juicy. If you're wanting some really extra eyelashes, like I am obsessed with these. And of course you can use code MakeupBethan with 2 N's to save some money. I'm gonna finish off with the Shimmer Bomb Gloss in Daydream from Makeup Revolution. And that is the finished look, guys. Not gonna lie, I didn't think I was gonna pull through, but you know, it's... To say I haven't worked from a reference photo, I'm alright with that. So, yeah, just a cute little pumpkin glam look. Obviously, people probably won't wear this for Halloween, but you know, if you do, you can. Obviously, a lot of people, when they do pumpkin looks, they actually paint their face orange and turn themselves in a pumpkin. I have done that one year, and I might have to do it again, recreate it, maybe make it more like gory or something, you know what I mean? But this was just like a nice, cute little pumpkin glam. But yes, there will be plenty of more Halloween videos coming your way. I've got a lot of plans, a bit more, you know, gory or... Yeah. I'm not gonna like give you too many spoilers, but yes, keep your eye out because Halloween looks are coming in full force. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. You can also follow me on social medias. They are linked down below as well. It's MakeupBethan with 2 N's. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.